What's going on, y'all? It's Maurice Bishop over here about to do this 3-minute blitz. Alright, guys. We just did the wing gambit. So, right now, we're just going to go e5 and then knight f3. See, he castled king side, so that's what we want. And h4 is usually where we usually go at. We wanted to go bishop captures h7 with knight g5, but he hit with f5. But we have this nice pawn sacrifice with g4, which also comes in handy. Because if he takes, we have knight g5. And if he doesn't take as he just did, then we can go rook g1. Because now we're threatening bishop h6. In this case, I'm going to actually go d captures e5. And we do have threats like queen b3 and bishop c4, so that can also get very annoying for him. So he has a lot to think. And I don't think this was very smart. I don't think this is very smart. We're gonna go bishop c4. Get this pin on. And we don't want to go knight catches h4 because the queen catches h4. So I ain't gonna have no chance to get my queen to this h file, which is what I want. So we're gonna go knight g5, harass this light square bishop, and now we got bishop g5 in, and now we getting hit something like queen h5. So that's something that we can do. And then we do have bishop h6, which seems very interesting as well. It really does. But we do have knight e5 coming in as well, which so we're gonna come here. The thing is, this knight can't go anywhere. Like if he goes here, I could still go queen catchers on d7 because the bishop can't take my queen because of the bishop on c4 is pinning this light square bishop on e6. So we should be good. Um, how do I want to do this? Uh, I'm gonna just come here, knight a3, because again, he still can't. The knight still can't do anything right now. He can b5 all he wants, but it's just not gonna happen. Okay, so now that he did that, um, which is interesting. Now I can go queen h5 now, and if he decides to take, it's not like he could check me anywhere else. But I do have rook h1, which is what I'm threatening. And then even if he goes bishop f7, I still got queen h4, and then I could go rook h1. Now I don't gotta worry about my light square bishop being undefended because I have my knight guarding this bishop on c4, which can ultimately get me a d6 post because this d square is very weak. Okay, so I don't know if he was trying to think he was gonna win a piece with bishop c4, but this is always like a mirage to most people. But yeah, I'm pretty much cool with that. Don't think I can see if he go queen d3, which that's fine. The only problem with this is I do have uh, this threat right here. Even if he goes check, it doesn't matter. I can go king f2, and like I said, he can't take this because I'm threatening mate. So that's not gonna work. He doesn't have enough piece to get me a mate. I have too many pieces around. Again, I got bishop e3. Again, he still can't take this knight. So right now he's being threatened with me taking his queen or getting mated. So now he's gonna really have to choose which one he wants to do. And of course he's down on time too. So yeah, it's all about coordination, guys. Coordination. Um, what I like about this, okay. If I roll onto it, I could just go knight c4 just to protect this pawn. And now, yeah, so it didn't really matter. Um, the whole point, I was just gonna go queen g6 and then, go rook catches a6 and then bring my rook over, which was, it's really nothing he could do with that. So yeah. So I hope y'all enjoyed that a little bit. If you like this video, please like, please share, please comment. Let me know what you think. And also, guys, don't forget to subscribe. All right, guys. Peace.